Welcome to a world that covers more than 70% of Earth's surface, the world's oceans.
An incredible 94% of the Earth's living species exist within the oceans. The longest mountain range in the world is not on land, but underwater, the mid-oceanic ridge.
The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth, and it's visible from space.
More than 70% of the oxygen we breathe is produced by the oceans. The majority of life on Earth is aquatic. Less than 30% lives on land.
The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench. It's over 7 miles deep.
We know less about the oceans that cover our planet than the surface of the Moon or Mars.
More than 80% of the ocean is currently unexplored.
Ocean's currents act like a giant conveyor belt, transferring warm water from the equator to the poles and cold water back.
Raising sea temperatures due to climate change are causing coral bleaching.
Our oceans are the planet's largest habitat.
Plastic pollution is a major threat to marine life. It's estimated that by 2050, the ocean will have more plastic than fish.
Around 2 million different species live in the oceans, and somewhere between 700,000 and 1 million species also live in the ocean depths.
The enormous amount of carbon that is stored in the ocean helps regulate the Earth's climate. Some of the world's largest creatures, like the blue whale and the giant squid, reside in the ocean.
The world's oceans hold about 97% of the Earth's water. Over 3 billion people depend on marine life for their livelihood.
Mangroves, which are found along coastlines, help to reduce the damaging effects of cyclones and tsunamis. Many of your favorite foods come from the ocean, including at least a sixth of the total protein intake of humans worldwide.
Many pharmaceutical companies are currently conducting deep sea and coral reef organism research to provide potential cures for cancer, arthritis, and other diseases.
The smallest ocean, Arctic, is more than 5 times the size of the Moon.
There are underwater hot springs in ocean known as hydrothermal vents.
The Pacific Ring of Fire, located in the basin of the Pacific Ocean, is home to 75% of the world's volcanoes. The Atlantic Ocean is widening by a few centimeters every year.
There are more historical artifacts under the sea than in all of the world's museums.
Roughly 90% of all trade between countries is carried by ships, and therefore sea routes remain crucial. We still only have identified just a fraction of the marine species in our oceans. The pressure at the deepest part of the ocean can be 1,000 times greater than at sea level.
Thanks for diving into the mysteries of the ocean with us. Stay curious and keep exploring.